This video tutorial I will explain how to install JDK 11 on Windows 11 operating system. JDK is essential for developing Java applications and running Java programs. First download JDK 11. For that visit Oracle website. Use this particular link. Then download Windows 64 installer for JDK 11 and save the installer file in your computer. Copy this link. Click on Windows and here you can see the Windows 64 installer for JDK 11. Click on this link to download the exe file. It is asking to authorize. You have to provide your credential to download JDK 11. Here you can see the installer is successfully downloaded. Next step is install JDK 11. For that we have to run the installer. Already we have downloaded the installer. Double click the exe file to run the installer and it will open JDK setup wizard. Click on next to begin the installation and the installer will suggest a default folder like C programming files, Java, JDK 11. You can leave as it is the default or choose different location. Then click on next. The installation process will start. Wait for it to complete and it usually takes a few minutes. Once the installation is done, click on close to exit the setup wizard. Double click this installer file. This is the default location it is going to install, and if you want to change the location, you can change the location here. I am going to leave as a default. Click on next. It is installing and it is successfully installed JDK 11. Click on close. C drive, programming files, Java. Here you can see JDK 11 is successfully installed. Next step is we have to set up environment variables. To run Java from command line or to use it in development tools, you have to set environment variables. And here you can see the instruction to edit the environment variable called path. The path we need to set till bin folder of JDK 11. Here you can see the instruction. We will follow and set that path variable. Click on start and here you can see edit system environment variables. Click on that. Click on environment variables and here you can see the path. Click on edit till bin folder. Copy the path. Click on new. Paste the path. Click on OK. 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 Next we have to set up Java underscore home environment variable and the value should be path of your JDK folder without bin folder. Click on environment variables. Click on new Java underscore home. Copy till JDK 11. variable value, paste the path. Click on OK. To verify the installation, open the command prompt. Then to check the Java version, use the command java-version. And to verify the compiler, you have to use the command javac-version. Open command prompt, java-version, and here you can see the JDK 11 is successfully installed, so that you are getting this output. To check the compiler version, use this command javac-version, and here we got the output. Now come to the conclusion part. You have successfully installed JDK 11 on your Windows 11 machine. Now you are ready to start writing and running Java programs, and consider exploring Java IDEs like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA to enhance your Java development experience. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.